A boom lift HA12 or JE. Color display provides detailed machine information, enabling quick fault diagnosis. All parts are sourced from leading international brands. The machine is equipped with 8 320Ah batteries, offering easy maintenance and upkeep. Efficient AC drive system with 4-wheel drive for powerful and smooth performance. Front-wheel steering, rear-wheel drive, with a turning radius of 0.8 to 3m. The total machine weight is 7,100 kg, with a climbing capability of 30%. Integrated slewing gearbox for smoother rotation. The turntable supports 355-degree rotation. Fully electric proportional control enables smooth, efficient, and energy-saving compound boom movements. The platform's rated load capacity is 230 kg. Max working height 14-15m. Maximum horizontal extension 683m. Both the fly arm and platform swing angles are 90, accommodating more working conditions.